Tired of tedious manual tweaks in UI/UX design? With AI on the rise, we're comparing Claude Design and Figma to see which truly streamlines your workflow. Claude Design isn't just another tool, it's Anthropic's bid for AI-driven design speed. Meanwhile, Figma remains the gold standard for meticulous, team-oriented design. Here's the Claude Design magic. You talk, it listens, generates, and then you refine together. Figma, on the other hand, sticks to what it does best: manual, precise control. Claude Design's speed is unbeatable for exploratory design, while Figma's collaborative precision is irreplaceable for final product refinement. Imagine Claude Design for your design sprints and Figma for the finish line. Combined, they form a powerful workflow. And if you're watching the Inference for the first time, and you're into AI news, tools, and tech breakdowns, do hit subscribe. We drop a fresh one every day. Claude's free tier is a no-brainer for experimentation, while Figma's $12/month solo plan is a steal for solo designers needing precision. Claude Design slashes prototype times, making it a designer's dream for quick iterations. Figma, however, owns the collaboration space. The trade-off with Claude Design is precision, while Figma struggles to keep up with the speed demands of solo, exploratory design phases. Claude Design vs. Figma, the ultimate choice? Claude for speed and innovative AI prototyping, Figma for robust collaboration and meticulous design control. Can you use both? So, Claude Design for your speedy design sprints and Figma for the meticulous finish. Skip Claude if precision is your only priority, and skip Figma if you're solo and just experimenting.